Bill Hahn on my 73 CZ 250. Not bad for a 41-year-old bike, or whatever the hell it is. Yeah.
Come a little away from me.
That could have ended so bad.
Nice save, Billy.
Your leg was like up in the air.
Yeah, there she is. That was the first maiden voyage.
That was a little more than I thought, man.